All right, so hello. It's March 19th, 2016. Logan Petlak here, and today I'm going to show you some of the apps I've been using to learn piano, and specifically some of the chords a little bit better. You'll notice there's two different videos of me. It's not because I'm arrogant. It's because the computer can record it, but I want to screen share off of my phone so you can see me actually swiping through, opening up apps and stuff, and seeing how I'm going to be playing it on there. But you should get also an additional view of me doing it on here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm not muting off of here. All the recording and the sound should be coming off of what I have on my phone here. Actually, I should be able to switch it. So I'm going to mute, unmute. So you should be able to hear me now. Might be a little bit echoed, so that's okay. So I'm going to start screen sharing on my phone. So screen share, screen, start now. And you should still be able to see me up top. So I got my phone handy here. I already downloaded a couple apps that I've been using. So you can see on the right side here, piano scales and chords, piano companion, learn piano chords. These are three of the ones I've been using. So I'm going to show you piano scales and chords to start out. So open it up here. So I wanted to learn the 4-chord song, and in the 4-chord song there was 4 specific chords that I wanted to learn. So what I've been doing is I go onto this. So when I'm on the go, you'll notice it says up in the top right here, C major. That's not one of the ones I want to learn. Fortunately for this app, I can go here and it can go, go there, and I can go through the different ones. And I do want to learn a C sharp minor. So I need to switch to that, select chord, C minor, and good. So it's showing me which ones. You can see them very lightly highlighted there. And when I hit them on my phone, it makes the noise of how it should sound, which is great. As well, going through, so I got my C sharp minor. There's my E major chord. You'll notice it's still set to E minor, so I have to update it there. But once again, so we got my E, G sharp, and a B chord, or B note. Hitting those 3 gives me my chord for that, my E major chord. I also need to know my B major, so I'm scrolling to the bottom. B major, B, D sharp, F sharp, good. And then I also have my A major chord. Going back, A major, so we have A, C sharp, E. And I got my chords there. So just to kind of get the visual side of it into my head, the rationale is if I have this on the go, I can learn a little bit better, which so far, kind of working, kind of not. It turns out that learning chords and learning the piano is a very long and drawn out process, but so far in theory, on the go here, it's working pretty well. So I'm going to go back, exit out of this app for now. Oh, nice. No, actually, let's not get politically related with this right now. Are you sure you wish to exit? Exit, good. All right, so back to the screen, taking a look once more. We're going to go with learn piano chords as my next one. This one doesn't work as well as the other one. It was still rated. Both of them are rated well above 4 stars online, and there's my opportunity to complain about it. But it's still developing. Fortunately, still just a beginner, but as soon as I click on beginner, it gives me a list of a whole bunch of chords that I can learn up at the top here. So if you can take a look there, boom, all these chords, great. So as I mentioned before, C, and it should give me the C minor chord. That's not the same one because I need the C sharp or D flat, C sharp minor chord. So as the same as the other one, have my C sharp, my E, and my G sharp. Backtracking. For my E major, boom, E, G sharp, B, backtrack, A major, good up top, A, C sharp, E, good. But yeah, so those are two of the main things that I've been using so far. There's another one I used as well. I'll exit that, piano companion, once it decides to open for me. And this one has a little bit of a share feature to it. You can see that Twitter action there. I'm not going to get into it right now, so I guess it was kind of a moot point to bring it up. But the cool thing about it is it has kind of more of a formal chord dictionary to it, which is far more advanced than I'm prepared to get into right now. But even just looking at it at the bottom, you can see the whole keys, C, E, G, my C major chord, and I should be able, there we go. Clicking on that lets me go through a different, or all the other ones that I might be interested in looking at. So like my C sharp, I'd be able to look into my minor. So if you look, I'm just clicking on the minor one there, and it's showing me the minor chord for it. So basically, the reason why I wanted to show you is just to show there's a lot of digital or apps out there that are all decent enough in order to help me learn these things. So that's going to be it. I'll stop sharing, and we will say goodbye.